Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see review of one of the affordable soaps available in Indian market. If you want to know detailed information about this soap, then do watch this video till the end. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do hit like button if you like my video. So let's start with review. Vivel Aloe Vera Satin Soft Skin with goodness of vitamin E in this soap. This soap cleanses the skin properly without causing any dryness. If you have dry skin, then do use this product to get soft and supple skin. Now let's talk about the packaging of this product, which catches one attention and is really beautiful. The soap comes in white and blue colored paper wrapping. It clearly mentioned all the details of the product like manufacturing date, price, expiry date, net weight, and so on. The cost of this product is just 10 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. It's just rupees 10. And still, today in Indian market, we do get 10 rupees soap, which are very good in quality wise. If I want to talk about soap, then Vivel soap is enriched with aloe vera and vitamin E. It nourishes your skin from deep inside. Vivel soap is made with 100% vegetable oil. We all know that aloe vera is best known ingredient for skin care as well as hair care. Aloe vera is cute little plant which is known to make your skin soft and supple. It gives healthy glow. It hydrates your skin. Now let's open this product. This is how soap looks from inside. Vivel Aloe Vera soap is white in color and has smooth texture. It produces a rich creamy lather as soon as it comes in contact with water. The product is gentle and forgiving on skin and does not dry it out. Talking about fragrance, this soap has pleasant, refreshing scent that can be strong for those with sensitive nose. This product comes at an affordable price point and can be easily found in stores as well as online. Pros of Vivel Aloe Vera soap. Quick and easy to rinse off. It can be used all year round. Budget friendly. Can be bought as a single soap. Easily available at offline and offline stores. Cons. The scent can be slightly strong for those with sensitive skin. Do I am going to recommend this soap? Firstly, this soap is gentle and forgiving on skin and it smoothens, cleanses and refreshes our skin. It's an affordable soap. So I am going to recommend this soap to everyone. This was the review of Vivel Aloe Vera Satin Soft Skin.